In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reprint a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online using your current left side navigation. This is especially useful when you need a clean copy for records, audits, or to share with your accountant. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and give you helpful context so nothing feels confusing. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. It also helps to use a supported, up-to-date browser so everything loads properly and the print dialog behaves as expected. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click Accounting. This is the hub for your chart of accounts and all things bookkeeping. Inside the accounting area, select Reconcile. Even if you're not starting a new reconciliation today, this is the right place to access your past reconciliation history and reports. On the Reconcile page, find and click History by Account. This view is designed to show you completed reconciliation activity broken out by account and statement period, which makes locating the exact report you need much faster. Next, choose the bank account you want to view. If your company uses multiple checking accounts, savings accounts, or credit card accounts, double-check that you've selected the correct one so the dates and balances line up with the statement you're expecting. Now, locate the reconciliation period you want to reprint. You'll see entries organized by statement ending date and status. If you're not immediately seeing the period you need, scan the list carefully and verify the dates. The month-end date on your bank statement is usually the best reference point. Sorting columns, if available, can help you quickly narrow in on the right period. When you've found the correct reconciliation, click View Report beside that period. This opens the reconciliation report, which summarizes beginning and ending balances, cleared transactions, and any discrepancies that were resolved. Take a moment to review it on screen to confirm it's the report you intend to print. At the top right of the report, click the Print icon. This opens your browser's print options, where you can choose your printer, page orientation, and other preferences. If the preview looks off, check your scale or margins so the totals and headers appear clearly on the page. When everything looks good, proceed with printing from your browser's dialog. That's how to reprint a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.